So, welcome to this set of video lectures on portfolio management. In this video, we're just going to quickly go over what topics are going to be covered. So, to start off with, we're going to be having a look at bonds. The very first topic will be bond pricing. And the name pretty much gives it away. We're just going to be looking at how we can actually determine the prices on bonds. And we're also going to be looking at the concept of yield and how we can determine that. Then, once we're done with that, we'll go into the term structure of interest rates. Now, this is going to be dealing more with how the yields on bonds are different for different bonds, and we're going to be looking at how these differences are created. And then finally, we'll move on to duration. And we'll see that duration is a measure of sensitivity of bond prices. And we'll look at how this is actually a source of risk when you invest in bonds and how risk in that form can actually be managed. So with bonds out of the way, we go on to portfolios. And to start off with, we'll be looking at Markowitz portfolio theory. Now this is going to be all about how we can best choose portfolios based on mean variance optimization. And so we can then build on this knowledge of Markowitz portfolio theory in order to see how we can arrive at certain pricing models, such as the capital asset pricing model, or CAPM, and the single index model and factor models. Finally then, once we've had a look at these pricing models, we're going to go on to how we can actually evaluate the performance of portfolios that we've taken. So then we go on to performance evaluation. So all of these topics here cover pretty much most of the course, and then once we get towards the end, we have a look at the efficient market hypothesis. We'll talk about what this hypothesis is, its implications, and we'll start to have a look at some sort of real-world evidence regarding the hypothesis and see what it says. And then finally, we'll finish off with the last topic, which is options. So options are a certain type of security available on the market. We'll look at what they are, how we can actually use them in various trading strategies, and then we'll look at how we can actually determine the prices of them. So that, in a nutshell, is all of the topics that we're going to cover.
Cut study time with concise video summaries by top students. Visit spoonfeedme.com to view more free videos in this course and hundreds of others.